So, we would like players, I need your attention everybody. Wala po munang hiyaw ng mga kaibigan just to give respect. Kasi dumarating na si keeper. So, hiyaw ka. Alright. Stop the warm-up. Joining us, the female legends, Mr. Mike Buste and Roel Bravo, together with their beautiful wives. Guys, stop mo na yung volleyball, please. Thank you so much. Stop mo na yung volleyball. Maraming salamat. Thanks for your cooperation. Alright, so we would like to request Harlow Hawks to be ready. We're now waiting for Keeper Ravenna to arrive for the giving of the awards. Ladies and gentlemen, we would like to give appreciation to both teams. Ladies and gentlemen, for joining us today. This is going to be a jam-packed day with us right now. Alright, so we would like to call Coach Shab right now together with the Harlow Hawks team. Alright, and Mr. Keeper Ravenna will be here to help us hand over the awards. Ayun po mga kaibigan! Starstruck by love at first sight with Mr. Keeper Ravenna right here. Alright? Are we doing Keeper? You okay? Yeah. Alright, so it's gonna be like, we have an interview with Keeper later. Starting with Mr. Shab. Alright, Mr. Shab, please get this. And that's the award. And how about the medals? Alright, so a picture taking with our uprising star, Mr. Shab. And not only Mr. Shab, the whole Harlow Hawks team, please. Join us, guys. Join us, guys. Whole Harlow Hawks team with Mr. Keeper Ravenna. Yan. Okay? Ingatan niyo po yung aming pambansang basketballista. Of course, rumored to be the first pick of PBA today. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Keeper Ravenna and the Harlow Hawks team. Wala pa kayo mga kabayo, everybody? Our visiting team, ladies and gentlemen, with Mr. Keeper Ravenna, alright? Thank you so much, Mr. Shab. Stay there, Keeper. Sorry for being so demanding. Alright, we would like to call, how about your teammates? Alright, Mr. Ronnie de Guzman. Sir, we want you to join Mr. Keeper. Alright, yan si Alaisa na pala sa harap natin. Nako. Alright, hindi na natin napansin. She's there. Oh yan, nilalamag ko na. You have an interview later with Eliza, Keeper, and Rachel Sopanos. Here we go. Let's see Keeper Ravenna. And right now, with the whole team, the courtside team, guys, please join Mr. Keeper, your import today. Ayan, nawawala yung cellphone ko. Yeah, confirm. Nawawala yung cellphone ko. Alright. The courtside team, ladies and gentlemen. Alright. Ayan. Well, first I have a few to go. Manotonotan, Gito, Miro, and some guards and some coach. Alright, we would like to acknowledge the beautiful mom of Keeper Ravenna, Mozi Ravenna. Let's give her a clap, everybody. Where is mommy? Where is mommy? Nasaan po siya ng pretty mom ni Keeper? Ayan. Alright guys.
Wala ka sa camera? Wala sa basta. Go na.
Ayan!
Wala. Ang papa. Mamaya.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to ask both teams to clear the court. Pakiclear na po yung court, mga kaibigan, because we're going to call the rosters of the team with a special background coming from DJ Oliver. Guys, no time to warm up now, guys. Sorry. Arlo Hawks, no time to warm up. Sorry. We're going to start right away. Arlo Hawks, sorry. Ladies and gentlemen, we bring you our invited guest rosters today. Playing for the red jersey, your Harlow Hawks. Calling jersey number 4, Arlo. Ladies and gentlemen, starting with jersey number 4, Mr. R. Allen. Wearing jersey number 5, R. White. Wearing jersey number 6, Jay Hawkins. Wearing jersey number 7, D. Cohen. Wearing jersey number 8, El Morris. Wearing jersey number 9, S. Bridner. Wearing jersey number 10, Emilius. Wearing jersey number 11, R. Ebrook. Wearing jersey number 12, R. Norquilunias. Wearing jersey number 13, S. Nias. Wearing jersey number 14, W. Evans. Wearing jersey number 15, S. Burgess. Your coach is S. Diaz, and your assistant coach is G. Bailey. Ladies and gentlemen, the Harlow Hawks. Your courtside team! Everybody! Let's start with the rosters. Wearing jersey number 14, the answer, Gino Miro. Wearing jersey number 13, Tyler Ditos Mata. Wearing jersey number 7, Kevin Laxina. Wearing jersey number 11, the accelerator, Alan Axel. Wearing jersey number 5, Love Noble. Wearing jersey number 2, Bong Ave. Wearing jersey number 4, Alvin Tomeltan. Wearing jersey number 12, ladies and gentlemen, welcome the Green Lantern, Macmillan. Wearing jersey number 8, Kevin Tomeltan. Wearing jersey number 9, Captain A. Bench to Abelida. And right now, let's welcome their coach as well, Ronnie De Guzman. And we would like number 10, let's welcome David Udarbin. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, right now, let's see who's left. Let's welcome him with a grand entrance. Ladies and gentlemen, he's standing 6 foot flat, born in the Philippines, Manila. He studied in Ateneo de Manila High School and Ateneo de Manila University. A 3-time UAAP Junior Champion, 2008, 2009, and 2010. And 2 times MVP Finals. 2 times UAAP Seniors Champion, 2011, 2012. A Unicade Champion, 2013. Phil Oil Flying V-Cup Champion 2011. 2 times UAAP Seniors MVP 2014 and 2015. KBCPL MVP 2016. Uni Games MVP 2014. 2 times ladies and gentlemen, guys, give a sportsman-like act. Shake hands, everybody. Harlem Rocks, give us a courtside. There you have it. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, it's going to be a showboat show. Alright? Then mga kaibigan, and later on, Gretchen. Team Gretchen ako ha. Team Gretchen. I'm Bisaya. Alright, marami kasing... Alright, here we go. Nag-aamuyan pa po ang Team Pilipinas, mga kaibigan. Crossover 1-on-1. Goodbye! Oh, nice luck! Iba nang matangkad. Ako, Pilipino ba referee natin? Time out. Alright. Time out. Alright, charge, time out. Courtside! Alright, DJ Oliver, can we have some music right here? Maraming salamat mga kaibigan for supporting this show. Right, Gretchen, Soul Toners, nasa likod po natin mga kaibigan. Nakupo ba si Gretchen? Alright. Gretchen! Hi, Gretchen!
Go, DJ! Ano ba ang ating poging DJ?
Nawawala po yung cellphone. Alright! Yes, you know, mga kaibigan. It feels like fire here. It's getting hot in here. Later on, meron po tayong 1-minute interview po ng ating victory today. Saan ka na si Keeper? Ha? Saan ka na? May sinay na autograph sa likod. Keeper Ravena. I'm a fan of this guy. Bong Ravena. Alright. Naglaro po pala si Bong Ravena sa Pasig Pirates. And sa NBA. Alright. Alright, here we go. Number 7. Nako. Nice steal by number 8. Morris running for a fast break. Sudden stoppage for Jay Short. Ako, mismatch. Ang tatangkad naman kasi ng mga pula. Number 12. Hindi papayag si number 13 ng easy shot. He will be sent to the free throw line. Number 12 is Mr. Norte Lunes. Foul for De Guzman. How many fouls, sir? First team foul, first foul. Personal foul. Ayan. Ano ba yung sapatos ginagamit ni keeper? He's wearing Kobe 11. Ayan. Kobe 11. Right, keeper is trying to give some, yung point guard mark talaga. The point guard is giving instruction to the teammates. Loose ball scramble, won by keeper Avena. Alright, keeper hands the ball. Lateral movement. Let's see, tinabuo yung PBA top drop move natin. Number 7, they're burning some clock. I think that's, yan ang sinasabi ko eh. That's a tendency of Gitaw stepping first before dribbling. Next step, alright?
Oh, it's okay.
Alright, mga
Thanks,
kaibigan,
I
here
didn't
comes
see you. Where did you come?
the Lobos. Double team again. It's a bunker shot from the tall guy. Friday po, open yung banko dun. Alright, that's Mr. Norkin, Mr. Abram. We're still about to see the first point of keeper, step back. Yes! Right. 2 points, that's his signature move.
That's a 4-point off.
Step back, shot the keeper of number 8. Bam! Number 8, Morris. With a punctuation mark. 16-5. Oh, here comes keeper of dancing. Number 7 opens. Bam! It's a 3. Laxina for 3. Number 12, power shot by number 12. Number 12 is, that's Mr. Norkel Nunez. Keeper, just hitting the rim. Back to Nias, the most veteran of the players right now. Tingnan mo naman yun. Tingnan mo naman yun. Dinala sa school yung mga bata. Number 4, yes! Number 4. What's going on, Alan? We know that the whites are so good in shooting. You know that. You cannot leave them open, alright? Here we go. Keeper looking for another teammate. Gitaw. Let's see if he can bring... blind pass. Still. Nias right now. Tingnan mo naman yan. Bringing the kids to school. Right, number 8. 1-1 against keeper. Nias burning some flat. All of a sudden, now it back rams. Grabe, skyscraper, number 11 for the putback. 22-8. Yan, mga kaibigan. The pride of Ateneo de Manila, keeper of Avena. And si Banging Babis, number 7. Again, a miss. Nias right there. Puro isang tira lang ang team ng court side. Alright. I think this 3 will bring a difference. Yan, pumasok na po si accelerator, puro running tong tatlong to, running man. Running man. Alright. Mga kaibigan, let's go. Let's go. Here we go, number 4. A mix rebound by Captain A. Keeper Avena signaling for a fast breakaway. Finds number 8. Axel. Accelerator for 3. Ayun na, pamatay sunog mga kaibigan. It only takes 1-3 to start the rally. And what a steal. Here comes Abelita to number 12 man. To number 8. And a shoulder fake. Attacking, assaulting, baking, blocking. Axel Allen. Keeper keeps the ball, finds Axel from the corner. He's rocking the house. The man of the moment. Allen, the accelerator, Axel. Nias becomes number 4. Low posting the skyscraper is mugged. Foul counted. Foul go to number 8. May kasama pong foul.
First personal foul, second team foul.
The second team foul, first personal foul, mga kaibigan. He is the tallest player in the court, mga kaibigan. He is called Abram. Ayan. Ito po'y pamangkin ni Westbrook. Si Abram. Here we go. Back to the ball game. Alright, keeper Avena. He finds a hole, turning around. Finds 11, acts a hesitation. Miro almost traveling. Miro will take it strong to the hole. Hey, grabe, sorry, nakapatayo ko yung ano. Sunod yung fire. Alright, here we go. Nias opens. No, and pinipis na po mga pala, mga kaibigan. That's what we're waiting. Nias, his assist was styled. Here we go. Number 15, open 3. No. Alright, here we go. Open number 6. Oh, nice big teardrop shot. Wow. Number 6. What a sick play right there, number 9, 101. Doing some cha-cha move. Here we go, back to keeper. Alright, natik na nabitawan ni keeper. Looking for number 8. Again, attacking, assaulting. Oh, may foul po doon mga kaibigan. Let's wait for the result. Si number 13. Alright, that's Mr. Nias. Alright, siya po may-ari ng black line. First personal foul, second team foul of Mr. Nias. Akala ko magko-coach lang. Playing coach pala. Alright. Number 8. Ako, hinihintay ko si keeper mag-free throw. Alright. Number 8. Raymond at saka si Bernard at saka si Claire kasama po natin sa table ngayon mga kaibigan. So they're actually securing the records of our game. Alright, back to the ball game. Number 50 keeper in rhythm. Finds number 8. No. Number 14, Miro. Miro. Yan. Pag si Miro ginanahan, nako, tuloy-tuloy na yan. Ang cute naman ni Rep. Ang cute ni Rep, talaga. Alam ko na sinong crush ko dito ngayon. Alright. First, foul counted number 14. Right. I can't resist it. Parang... Sorry, Rep. Alright, Miro. Rebound, nako, pumasok. Tinapik ni number 11 yun. Alright. Let's see. Ay, mahaba na po mga kaibigan. Philippines never say die. Ay! Good defense by the Filipinos courtside team. Ayan. This is an effective 3 yung pinadala po ni Coach
Ilang
Kingsman.
timeout tayo sa isang quarter? Ilang timeout? Isa lang.
Here we go. Allen. Keeper. Nag-low post na si keeper. Ang man of the... Ay! Grabe keeper! Alright. Napapailabi yung mga babae doon. Alright, number 13. What up? Don't you call it body? Body. Head and shoulder. Alright, number 6. Ay, traveling yan. Traveling. Alright. Traveling without a visa is not allowed. Nag-travel si Morris. One minute and 12 seconds remaining in our first quarter. Kasama po natin si DJ Oliver, mga kaibigan. At welcome to London with keeper of Vena. Ayan, tinan mo. Familiar play. Ay! Smooth by keeper. And accent. Foul called on 15. Ayan, ang dami pa ng facets of the game ni keeper. Kahit point guard, naglo-low post, pero decoy lang pala. First personal foul, warning for penalty. Mami, first time pa sa London? First time sa London? Oh, many times. Second time, alright. Sana next time nandun si Buong na Vena. Alright? Shinani po yan. Okay lang. Okay lang.
50 seconds away.
Alright, 50 seconds remaining, ladies and gentlemen, in the first quarter, number 11 is Sniper. Naglulupat na po tayo. Alright, back to the ball game. Baseline, beauty. Voila. Here we go. Mira misses. Alright. Yan. Ang prayer ko lang dito, mag-ingat keeper. Kasi a very potential first pick of the PBA. Alright? 30 seconds left in the first quarter. Masaya po ang batch ngayon ng mga rookies. Kasi si Ray Parks and Jan. Alright, number 6, number 15 for a 3 ball. Misses. Rebound. Mr. Duck mula kay 1-5. Keeper Avena. First personal foul, 13 foul. Keeper, 14 court foul. Hard back to the ball game, Robertson. Corner bracket. Misses. Loose ball Gallo. One by keeper. 8 seconds. Time is running down, but he will not panic. Keeper for 3. That's the end of the first quarter, ladies and gentlemen.